What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. This is most likely going to be a double upload for tomorrow if I can get everything edited and uploaded in time. But what I want to talk about is FuboTV Stock, because this company, or stock specifically, has been all over the place the last 2 weeks. 3 months ago, they were a $9 stock. And you fast forward and 3 weeks ago, they're a $27 stock. 2 weeks ago, it's a $60 stock. Last week, it's crashing back down to $20, and here today, it went up 25% before finishing the day, about up 15%. So what I want to do in this video is talk about what the hell is going on with FuboTV stock, and I also want to talk about why I can possibly see a short squeeze coming in the near term. So stick around to the end of the video because there's going to be a lot of value in this, and you won't want to miss it because you could see some short-term profits if my prediction becomes true. So like I said, Fubo has been a very volatile stock over the last 2 to 3 weeks. And unfortunately, I am sure a lot of people got stuck holding the bag when it was at $60. Now, if you watched my last video, you know I am a long on this company and I do still hold my stock. I didn't sell even though I went from up 100% to down 20%. So I'm still holding, but let's get into it. So the stock shot up from $9 to $27 on the back of a really strong third quarter earnings release. Then came all the FOMO buyers, which sent the stock soaring to $62 in a matter of just 3 or 4 trading days. Then of course, all the shorts started attacking, people started taking profits, and to make matters even worse, there was also the insider lockup expiration, and so the stock fell 60%, falling an average of 8.8% per day. Now, this gets us to this week, and on the first trading day of 2021, Fubo fell another 14% before rebounding 25% today. So why is this important? Well, the short arguments against Fubo is that subscriber growth is going to decline after Q3, where they saw record subscriber growth. Then also you've got the ad revenue, which people just don't think is going to be substantial enough to really make a difference. Then you've also got the sports wagering, which many analysts are calling just a pipe dream. So those are really the main strong short arguments, and we're going to get into just how much of Fubo stock is being shorted, because that's the main reason that I think we could possibly see a short squeeze coming over the next couple weeks or couple months. So today, January 5th, Fubo announced that they would be raising their Q4 guidance for revenue and subscriber growth, stating that now they expect Q4 revenue of $94 to $98 million, which is up from $80 to $85 million, and would represent growth of about 80% year over year. On top of that, they are guiding for the number of subscribers to exceed 545,000, which is much higher than the 500 to 510,000 that they previously guided for. And of course, that would indicate 72% growth year over year for the number of subscribers. So as you can see, some main points from the short argument are already going to be proved wrong, and that's one of the reasons that the stock popped today. And that's also why I think we could see a short squeeze. So now for the fun part, let's get into the short percentage and why I believe this short squeeze is coming. If we turn to every YouTuber's trusted partner, Yahoo Finance, we can see that as of December 15th, which is only 2 or 3 weeks ago, the short percentage of float was at 40%, which is incredibly high. Now, as a percentage of total outstanding shares, it's still really high at 32%. And if you don't know what the difference between float and shares outstanding is, basically, the float shares are those which are available to be traded, meaning that things like restricted stock and restricted stock options are not included in this number. The shares outstanding is the total number of shares that the company has, including restricted stock. Now, on average, if the short interest as a percentage of float is below 10%, that could indicate strong positive sentiment. But when it gets above 10%, that's considered fairly high, and anything above 20% is extremely high. So the fact that it's 40% shows that there is a strong short presence in this stock. And really, any good news like what we saw come out today could squeeze the shorts out of their positions. And when shorts need to cover their positions, that means they're forced to buy the stock, which means we could see a lot of buying pressure coming over the next few weeks. Just look at Tesla and what happened when those short sellers got squeezed out. So I just wanted to quickly put out this video because I do think it's important to understand what is going on with Fubo stock, because it is all over the place. And I really wanted to give you guys my insight and my personal prediction that we could possibly see a pop in the stock as more and more shorts get squeezed out of their positions. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think, if you think we could see a short squeeze coming, and also if you've been buying the dip, because like I said, the stock is down 60% over the last week and a half. So definitely some great buying opportunities. I know I've been personally adding shares under my cost basis, and I know some people in the Discord have also been buying the stock. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I definitely want to know. So thank you guys for watching, and I will be revisiting this video down the road in the future to see if my prediction came true. Thanks guys, and I will catch you on the next one.